Day. Today is August the 30th, last work day of the month. I must say, guys, August was a phenomenal month. Great month. Man, again, man, just, oh man, thanks to the clients that use us. I just got a great review from a job we did yesterday. She wrote us a great review on Google. So anyway, guys, we are out here in Duluth, Georgia, Sugarloaf Country Club. I've done many houses in this community, and we are doing some stone floors. As you guys know, I'm definitely going to be getting more into the stone, as we do countertops already, but definitely want to get more into the floors as well. So that's going to be one of my main focuses next month, is to we're going to focus on wood and stone. So anyway, guys, Tavares is already here in the big truck. I brought the small truck. This is a pretty nice sized job. We're just going to be cleaning and buffing the stone. They're actually getting ready for a party. She found me. She said, Courtney, I went to Google, found you on Google, and I just got such a good feeling with your company. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, it is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Palm trees. All right, so anyway, guys, Tavares should already be started, and grab this. So we are working in the basement of this home, Miss Mary, and guys, this lady was so impressed with me. She had already sent me 2 referrals in the neighborhood, and she said, Courtney, she just gave me so much great feedback on my online presence, my company, and that's what a lot of people who are looking for quality, that's what they're looking for. They're just not basing it off of price, you know, especially when it's a cheap price. They want quality. So guys, you can see they're already setting up, and she said, Courtney, can you promise me you can get this done today? I said, yes, ma'am. And it worked out great. There's Tavares. You setting up, bro? All right, guys, so let me show you what we got going. We're gonna be doing these floors right here. We're gonna be doing all of these floors. Gonna clean them, buff them out. They got a lot of residue on them. They got all this stuff picked up off the floor. So we're gonna be doing all of this, this, bringing in here, down here. I think it's a bedroom, because I measure, it's like a 20, it was a little bit over 2,400 square feet. All of this, going into there. Definitely ask them to move the TV, because we do not touch electronics. We do not move furniture. I am insured, and if I touch something and break it, my insurance company would not cover me, because I am not a moving company. This is why we do not move furniture. Now, we will help people move furniture. Then all of this, it's pretty dark down here. All of this, and then this. All right, guys. Floors came out great. They are getting ready for the party, and we are done. All right, guys, it's drying up right there. I just went back with a little post cleaner. All right. See you in the next one.